As a small business owner, Matthew Stevens of Stevens & Sons performs a variety of tasks such as lawn mowing, weed eating, painting, and general home repair. When one starts a small service business, the work requested may be unpredictable, and the owner wants to try to have as many tools as possible to carry out a variety of tasks. On the other hand, it is quite fun to have a different job setting every day. This can produce new experiences and chances to learn new problem-solving ideas, so many skills will be developed. The overall focus of my website, sarahscribe.com, will be on social issues that plague society, such as teenage pregnancy, media violence, political issues, etc. Running a business is definitely a social issue, as many people are trying to be entrepreneurs in a failing economy that boasts no recent job growth. However, as this story reveals, there is no employment venture without problems. This particular story highlights the risks and benefits in owning a business. It features the perspectives of both a small and a large business owner. The pros and cons of being self-employed is a testament that there are still dishonest people in the world that will take advantage of the services one offers. This is Sarah Stevens signing off.